Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation. Today, my team and I are very happy to show you our catalog of teaching materials. We designed these resources over the past month to improve our English lessons. Through this presentation, you will see different materials that can make learning more engaging and meaningful for students. Let's begin.
This catalog presents a selection of didactic materials designed for students aged 12 to 14 years old. All our resources are classified into three areas: realia, printed, and multimedia materials to promote active and meaningful language learning.
Here is our table of contents. In this video, we will explore our specific teaching resources step by step. After that, we will explain the pedagogical justification, the functionality criteria, and finally, our conclusions about this project.
Now, let's explore our first official category from the contents: realia. Realia means bringing real-world objects into the classroom. It is a fantastic way to connect vocabulary with concrete things, making learning meaningful and natural for students. It allows students to learn through direct interaction.
This is our Guess Who game. We made it using Opaline paper, plastic sheets, and recycled bottle caps. It helps students practice vocabulary and speaking skills through an interview board where they look at different physical features.
But how do we play this game? Well, students ask questions to guess their opponent's character and cover options with the caps. This game develops communication skills, encourages student interaction, and shows that learning English through play is both effective and fun.
Now, let's move to our next category from the contents: multimedia materials. In our modern world, digital tools are essential because they bring technology into the classroom, increase motivation, and create interactive learning spaces. They also make lessons more dynamic.
This is our 10th lesson about climate change. It is a digital resource compatible with mobile devices. It is very versatile for synchronous or asynchronous learning, helping students develop critical thinking and digital literacy.
For this activity, students watch the video and identify key environmental ideas. This resource is perfect to improvise listening skills, increase engagement, and introduce important global concepts like global warming to our students.
Next, we have our interactive Kahoot quiz with 5 multiple-choice questions. This game is based on a special story about a girl playing baseball, which we will explain in detail during the printed materials section. It serves as an entertaining review activity.
Now, let's move to our next category from the contents: printed materials. Paper, cardstock, and poster are traditional but powerful visual actors. They help students stay organized and visually remember core language concepts every single day.
Let's review some of our English classroom rules. First, we have package number 1. It focuses on respect and general behavior. The style is very clean, using bright colors and cute illustrations. This design helps young students quickly see and understand foundational rules, like listening and respecting each other.
Package 2 is about positive values and community. It shares the same organized grid layout. This cohesive style teaches social skills like raising your hand and asking questions when you have a doubt, and reminds the students to give their work need. These values encourage responsibility and respect.
Package 3 focuses on daily routines and good work habits. Visually, the clear text boxes separate each rule perfectly. It guides the students to build responsibility through actions like working hard, helping to clean up, and using inside voices.
Finally, package number 4 centers on safety and personal effort. The minimalist pastel background ensures that students focus entirely on the core message. It effectively reminds them to walk safely, keep spaces clean, and always do their best work.
Next, we have our main printed text, the story, Anything is Possible. It tells the story of a girl who wants to play baseball. This book is a wonderful tool to improve reading comprehension and promote gender equality. It also delivers an inspiring message.
Based on the story, we create a set of 14 flashcards. They use protected contact paper for durability. Teachers can use them to introduce a key vocabulary, play matching games, or help students retell the story in chronological order.
The final printed resource is our word search puzzle. Students search for 10 thematic words like respect and Jackie. This clean layout helps reinforce orthographic awareness, spelling, and vocabulary retention individually or in time pair competitions.
In conclusion, this project showed us that combining realia, printed materials, and multimedia tools is very important. Creating different types of resources help us meet different learning styles and create an active, inclusive, and successful English classroom. It shows the importance of using a variety of teaching strategies.
With nothing else to say, thank you very much for your time and attention. We hope you enjoy our educational catalog presentation. Remember, we're always ready for your questions and feedback. Have a wonderful and creative day.